Hi guys, today we're going to learn about nutrition. So under subtopic absorption of digested food into our bloodstream. The absorption of digested food occur in our small intestine. Okay, this is our stomach. Okay, and this will be our small intestine. The small intestine will absorb the final product, or another word we can use end product. Okay, what are the end product will be absorbed into our small intestine? Number one will be glucose. Okay, number two will be amino acid. Number three will be glycerol and fatty acid. Okay, number four will be vitamins. Number five will be minerals, and number six will be fiber. All these will be absorbed into our bloodstream through small intestine. The small intestine, if I draw the cross section of small intestine, this is our small intestine cross section. When I cut, okay, it has a small projection. Okay, it has a small projection. This small projection is known as villi. One we call villus. Okay, so we call small or tiny projection. When I draw the one villus, structure of one villus, it will look like this. It is made up of tiny wall like this. Made up of tiny wall. Okay, so it made up of tiny, okay, wall, one cell thick, one cell thick. Okay, so why it's made up of one cell thick? Because it's okay, increase the rate of absorption of nutrient. Okay, as well as we have another structure called, okay, lacteal. Okay, we have lacteal. This lacteal is rich, okay, rich in blood capillaries, and this structure is called lacteal. Must understand. So if let's say I'll take one product one end product, glucose. Let's say the molecules of glucose like this. Okay, the molecule of glucose from the small intestine, okay, it will enter the villi. Okay, so because of this wall is made up of one thick cell. This wall is made up of one thick cell. It can increase the rate of the absorption. They can easily penetrate or diffuse into the wall of, okay, cell, and can diffuse into the bloodstream. Okay, the second part will be the importance or the uses of end product. Okay, so we have few end product, and we check the uses of end product. Number one will be glucose. Okay, what is the importance of glucose? It basically provide energy to perform our daily activity. It will provide energy in the cell. Okay, cell. So what will happen? The body cell will conduct cellular respiration. Okay, during cellular respiration, the glucose will combine with oxygen to produce energy plus carbon dioxide and water vapor. This energy is used to perform a daily activity. Again, this is first point, provide energy in the cell. So cellular cell will undergo cellular respiration. Glucose combined with oxygen produce energy, carbon dioxide and water. Second thing, the excess excess of glucose. Glucose, okay, will be converted into glycogen and will be stored, okay, in the liver as food storage. Okay, so these two points must remember. Okay, second will be amino acid. Okay, so we check what is the function of amino acid. Amino acid obtained from where? Obtained from protein. This amino acid used, okay, to build new cells, okay, and is also used to produce, okay, produce enzyme, okay, antibiotic or antibodies, not antibiotic, antibody, okay, and hormones to control homeostasis process in our body. Okay, then the excess, must remember this one, excess of amino acid will be converted to urea and will be eliminated through urine and sweat. Okay, must remember this one now. Okay, so I'll do again. Okay, we go through again. Amino acid. Okay, what is the uses of amino acids? To use to build new cells, okay, used to produce enzymes, antibody and hormone. Excess of amino acid will be converted into urea and will be eliminated through urine and sweat. Okay, the third uses, we check fatty acid. Okay, fatty acid and glycerol. This fatty acid and glycerol, okay, is obtained from fat. When fat molecule break, it will produce fatty acid and glycerol. What is the function of fatty acid? Fatty acid used, okay, to build membrane cell. As we know, this is cell. Okay, the cell contains what? Nucleus. Okay, and this structure is known as cytoplasm, and this is our membrane cell. The structure of membrane cell basically made up of lipid compound. The lipid compound is obtained from, okay, fatty acid and glycerol. Okay, so it's used to make a build membrane cell. First point. Second point, okay, excess of glycerol and fatty acid will be converted, okay, to fatty tissues, okay, and store under the skin, okay, to control the body temperature, and also protect our internal organs. Okay, so this is our skin. Our skin is made up of 3 layers. Number 1 we call epidermis layer. After that we have Okay, this is air. Then we have few receptor. Okay, this is known as dermis layer, and the bottom one we call tissue, fatty tissue. Fatty tissues. The fatty tissues is made up of fatty acid and glycerol. This fatty acid, okay, fatty tissues, okay, used to control our body temperature and also protect the internal organs. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.